Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Karyasan. So today I'm going to teach you about how to delete an app in your PC or in your laptop. So first you want to click on Start, then you need to select your app. So right click on it, then you need to select Uninstall. Then click on Uninstall. After a few minutes you can see your app has been deleted. So this is the end of the video. So thank you for watching my video.